Have you ever seen a product labeled eco-friendly that felt a bit suspicious? That is greenwashing, and here is how to spot it. Greenwashing is a marketing tactic used to give the impression that a company or investment product is environmentally sound, often without real substance. Since most shoppers want to support sustainable brands, businesses have a huge financial incentive to make their marketing look greener than their actual operations. Watch out for vague labels, companies that focus on one tiny green detail while ignoring a larger problem, or claims that are just basic legal requirements. Authentic sustainable investing relies on third-party audits and hard data, while greenwashing usually relies on emotional slogans and internal claims that cannot be verified. As money pours into ESG or environmental, social, and governance funds, the risk of greenwashing grows because managers are racing to keep up with demand. Always remember, follow the actual data and audited reports, not just the marketing copy on the front of the brochure. Thanks for watching. Keep doing your research before you invest. Subscribe for more money basics and hit that like button if this helped.